If your business can't run without you, you don't have a business, you have a job. Over the last 7 months, I transitioned from doing everything in my business to removing myself from the day-to-day operations. I no longer work in the business, I work on the business to scale it even faster. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build strong visual systems so your business can run without you. Visual systems are easy to create and simple for your team members to follow. You can also link them to SOPs, video trainings, and more. The first step to making your business run without you is to quickly map out its core components. This shouldn't take more than 20 minutes using a tool like Miro. For my software company, Breakcold, there were multiple areas critical to running the business. Product building, handled by my co-founder, acquisition, split into inbound and outbound, retention, mainly customer support. Inside acquisition, I broke it down even further. Inbound including tasks like SEO and video editing, outbound including tasks like cold emailing and cold calling, and for retention, the key aspect was customer support, where I spent a lot of time talking with prospects and customers, handling issues and collecting product feedback. Once you've broken down everything you do, the next step is to decide what to delegate first. Usually you should delegate tasks that take a lot of your time and that can have a direct impact on your business growth. A good method is to rate tasks on 2 axes. X-axis, how time-consuming is the task from a scale of 1 to 5. Y-axis, how critical is the task for the business to function on a scale of 1 to 5. This framework helps you prioritize which roles you should hire first. Once you know which position to hire, build yourself a visual process to hire correctly. You can use many techniques to filter out bad candidate applications. Then after some time, you'll start to have team members. This is where the real work begins. The first thing is that your team should save you time, not create more work for you. Therefore, your job is to build them a killer onboarding where they won't have to bug you every single minute. I like to use Notion for this, where I can build a step-by-step onboarding process. The new team members can then learn about the company and our processes for the role at their own pace. Every written conversations are centralized in Slack and oral ones are recorded using fireflies.ai. People like it because if they need to remember something from our debrief calls, they can just rewatch the video so that there's never a loss of information. It takes some time to build a strong Notion onboarding initially, but you can later on repurpose it for different roles. If you're very diligent about setting this up, people should not take you more than 10 minutes each day to manage. If some people are taking you more time, it means that you've done a bad job, or in some rare instances, they were not a good fit for your company. Another thing that everyone in the company should know: who are the team members that are interconnected to them. For example, in my company, the support team is interconnected with the tech team, so we had to build strong rules for them to work together across different tools. You don't need complex systems in place, you just need clear ones. That's why this video was short, because there's really nothing more to teach you guys. I cannot build your visual systems, I cannot build your SOPs, because you're the only person to know what there is to do in your own business. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and make sure to subscribe to that YouTube channel. You can also check out this video to learn how to sell anything to anyone at any time.